How to delete saved photos on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. To delete saved photos on Messenger, launch Messenger application. Make sure you sign into your account and proceed by tapping on a particular group chat or individual chat where you want to delete the saved photos of. For demo, let me choose any photo, upload it to this chat. So if you want to delete this particular scene photo, you simply need to long press on it and then tap on the details. You can view the details. After that, long press again and select delete. Here you got the two options, delete for you and delete for everyone. When you tap delete for everyone, this will be deleted from both sides. If you delete for yourself only, then the photo will be deleted from your chat only. So you can easily delete from both sides by selecting delete for everyone. That's how you can easily delete sent photos on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.